I'm doing reaction to Lary over, and the song's called Sola. We know that means alone, but it's saying Sola, so I think he's meaning like a girl being alone, maybe. Or it could just mean solo, like alone could just mean Sola, like alone for a boy. For male or female could just be Sola. I don't know, not too sure. But anyway, it's pretty ominous so far. So I can't really tell what's going on. We see some diamonds and stuff like that. We see Lary, he got his shirt off with 2 face tattoos on his chest. That's interesting. Let's keep it going.
Yo sé que tú no me has olvidado, de todas esas veces que yo te lo...
Oh, you know what's interesting? You know, I see it in the comment section. Y'all said that he kind of sounds like Bad Bunny. Like he came out before Bad Bunny, but like Bad Bunny took off more. I can kind of hear it just a little bit. They definitely have different like visual styles. Like they both look different, but like vocally, the vocal sound, it kind of sounds familiar, similar. I'm not gonna say it's exactly the same, but it's definitely familiar. Let's keep it going.
Cuando estés sola, yo sé que me va a buscar. Cuando tú estés sola, cuando tú estés sola, pero cuando estés sola.
See, okay, even though they kind of could sound the same, it kind of reminds me of the Future designer situation. Even though they sound the same, doesn't mean that they rap the same. Like their flow may not be the same. There's a difference between having a sound and flow. Their flow can maybe not be exactly the same. I'm not really getting the same type of flow from him. Okay, so based on visuals, so we can tell, like, we could probably like follow it. It seemed like she said that she couldn't do this no more. I seen puede, so you know what I mean, can. I seen esta, so she probably meant like she can't do this no more. He seemed like he dressed like a lame or like a guy that gets money, but he's kind of like a stiff. But we could be off. Yo sé que me va a buscar cuando tú estés sola, cuando tú estés sola, El guasón bebé, calvo bebé, cuando tú estás sola tú piensas en mí, de todas las noches que te hice venir, encima de mí, haciendo el amor yo te hice venir, no olvides cómo te besaba, no olvides cómo te tocaba. Yeah, like listen, like the sound, I think as you listen to more, like the sound kind of like dissipates between them, really like sounding the same, but the flow is really what's like different about it. Lary over is actually, he alright. You know what I'm saying? He's not giving me a I gotta keep listening to him vibe. This song has quite a view, almost 10 million views, so the song is straight. People like him, people like it, but y'all haven't been like, you know, like just blowing up like, yo, Lary over, Lary over. Y'all haven't been doing that, so I don't know if y'all like really not prefer him like that. So if y'all want to see more Lary over, make sure you guys like the video. Get this video 100,000 likes. Let's keep it going.
Contigo no me falta nada, por eso la reina de mi cuento. No olvido tu cuerpo encima el mío. Te acuerdas todas las veces te has venido. Tú eres mía y lo sabes. Tú mueres conmigo y ya lo sabes. Pero cuando estés sola, yo sé que me va a llamar. Cuando estés sola, cuando estés sola.
Oh my gosh, are you shizzing me, dude? Are you kidding me, dude? Oh my god, that's tough. That's tough. But it seemed like he could be like fighting himself a little bit. Like he got like this savage inner side, but he had to like maybe change it. Maybe she misses that about him. Maybe that I could be off. We're really just guessing what the visual could be, what it could mean. Cause the song, the audio of the song, it's alright. Let's keep going.
Yo sé que me va a buscar cuando tú estés sola, cuando tú estés sola,
Yeah,
so the song has me on the hook, but then like when I listen to the verses, I'm kind of like lost, I'm bored. Like listen to it, I'm kind of bored, but the hook kind of brings me back. But also like watching the video, I feel like that's helping too, because he's lit. You know what I'm saying? He burning stuff, but the video is not like super attention grabbing that much. Like not to me.
Me importa un carajo que hablen de usted. Tú eres mi Carly, yo soy tu José. No me importa que hablen de ti. Yo soy bebé que naciste pa' mí. Ganar el mundo me separa de ti. Por eso bebé contigo vamos a morir. Viajando por el mundo pensando en ti. Esperando el momento que vuelva a mí, bebé. No sabes que solo pienso.
He said Party, and we heard that Party was in a Bad Bunny song, but we don't remember what that means. So y'all gonna have to comment below what that word means. I gotta know, even though y'all might post it on the other video, depending on when I post this video, but still. Comment that. But shawty looking good. What kind of car they in? That's a Lamborghini? What it say? I can't fully read it, but it might not. It look the interior nice.
Sola, yo sé que me va a llamar. Cuando estés sola, yo sé que me va a buscar. Cuando tú te...
See, look at that. See, like that could have been it. Like he was too stiff. Nigga name was Ramon. No, was not Ramon. Was Raymond. Raymond. That sound like a stiff ass name. Sound like a stiff, don't it? Like Raymond. What if my name was Raymond? Raymond Vision. Like that sound kind of stiff. Let's keep going.
Sola, pero cuando estés sola, yo sé que me va a llamar. Cuando estés sola, yo sé que me va a buscar. Cuando tú estés sola, cuando tú estés sola, el WhatsApp,
yeah, this definitely gives me like the hook got me. The hook definitely got me, but it didn't give me enough to where I have to add it to the list. Would I listen to the song again? Maybe. It would have to come up randomly though. I don't think I would search for this. I don't think I would search for this song. Keeping it $150. I gotta keep it $150 with y'all. You know what I'm saying? If I don't feel like the song is a vibe, it's alright. But let me know what you guys think about this song in the comment section. What you guys think about Larry Over? Do you guys think he sounds like Bad Bunny? Make sure you guys get 100,000 likes on this video. Let me know what else you want to see. Soccer highlights, more Latin music highlights, just whatever, man. Whatever's lit out there. And or even musical thoughts. Where we just talk about music in the world. Peace.